Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Fian Mukti. On this occasion, I will present a discourse analysis of political speech with the title A Comparative Analysis of Barack Obama Final Speech. Okay, and this is a video snippet of the Obama speech that you can watch on the YouTube link that I have written below. Okay, before we get into the discussion here, there are 5 points of content that we will discuss later. Introduction, background, project goals, result and finding, and conclusion. Okay, first introduction. Political speeches have significant power in shaping public perception, influencing political discourse, and determining legacy. Among modern political figures, Barack Obama stands out for his oratory skill and his ability to connect with diverse audience. His final speech as President of the United States is not only a reflection of his administration achievements, but also a call to action for the future. This analysis aims to analyze Barack Obama's final presidential speech using two different but complementary frameworks: discourse historical approach (DHA) and pragmatic approach. Discourse, historical approach, and pragmatic approach. A CDA of political speeches can examine how politicians use language to convey their message and to shape public opinion. This type of analysis can reveal how political discourse reinforces or challenges exciting power dynamics, and how it is influenced by historical, social, and political forces. Pragmatic approaches. These approaches focus on the study of language used in context, and they seek to understand how speakers use language to convey meanings, negotiate relationship, and express social identity. Project goals. Compare and contrast the findings of the two analyses and discuss how each approach contributes to a different understanding of the discourse. Result and finding. Discourse historical approach findings. Socio-political themes. The speech addresses key socio-political themes, such as economic recovery, international diplomacy with Cuba and Iran, and social cohesion. The emphasis on these themes highlight the administration priorities and values. Pragmatic approach finding. Speech Act. Obama's speech employs various speech acts such as directive, urging citizens to engage in political activism, expressing pride and gratitude, and committing to the ongoing struggle for justice. Next, result and finding. Comparison and contrast. Ideological construct versus speech act. DHA highlight the ideological construct and socio-political themes that shape the discourse. In contrast, the pragmatic approach dissects the speech into individuals' acts and rhetorical strategies to understand how they influence the audience perception and action. Contribution to understanding the discourse. DHA's contribution by situating Obama's speech within its historical and ideological context. DHA helps us understand the broader significance of his work and the continuity of his administration's theme. It sheds light on how the speech resonates with historical struggle and achievements, thereby reinforcing Obama's legacy. Pragmatic approach contribution. The pragmatic approach provides insight into how Obama's speech effectively engaged and motivated his audience. It reveals the specific language choice and rhetorical techniques that make the speech compelling and actionable, highlighting the immediate impact on listeners. And the last is conclusion. The discourse historical approach and the pragmatic approach offer a holistic understanding of Barack Obama's final presidential speech. DHA provides the context and ideological framework, while the pragmatic approach elucidates the communicative strategies and their effect. This combined analysis reveals the multifaceted nature of political discourse, demonstrating how historical context and pragmatic language use intertwine to shape public perception and influence societal behavior. Okay, that's my presentation and thank you.